Report 16. Report on establishing a student-run cafeteria. 2022 Penang MPSM, SPM 1119 Trial Exam Question. 250 words essay. Question 4. Your school has decided to encourage entrepreneurship among students by starting a student-run cafeteria. You have been asked to write a report for the school principal. Your report should include the qualities of students that could be chosen as organizing committees, reasons why the students should be chosen, the types of food and drinks that could be sold, and reasons why. Write your report. Notice: accuracy of Malay and Mandarin translation is not guaranteed. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Honours Degree Universiti Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 qualification. Certified English teacher. Email, srihero@gmail.com. YouTube channel, Melakaexplorer. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account, Malaysia, 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Report on establishing a student-run cafeteria. The proposal to initiate a student-run cafeteria provides an excellent opportunity to encourage entrepreneurship among our students. This report outlines the necessary qualities for the organizing committee members, their selection rationale, and appropriate food and drink options. The committee should consist of students with diverse skills including leadership, creativity, and a sense of responsibility. Essential qualities include excellent organizational abilities, basic accounting knowledge, and a flair for culinary arts. Additionally, team collaboration, effective communication skills, and an understanding of food health and safety regulations are crucial. Choosing students with these qualities ensures a capable and dynamic team. Leadership and organizational skills are vital for managing operations efficiently. Creativity will aid in diverse and appealing menu creation, while accounting knowledge is important for financial management. Understanding food safety standards is critical to comply with health regulations. This venture will also enhance students' practical skills and entrepreneurial mindset. The cafeteria should offer a variety of nutritious and appealing options. Suggestions include sandwiches, salads, fruit bowls, and low-sugar beverages. These items are not only healthy but also easy to prepare and popular among students. Including international cuisines could cater to diverse tastes and promote cultural appreciation. In conclusion, the student-run cafeteria is an innovative step towards instilling practical skills and entrepreneurship among students. By selecting a skilled committee and offering a balanced, appealing menu, the cafeteria will not only serve as a food outlet but also as an educational platform, enriching our students' school experience. Reported by Sritharan Secretary, Student Council, SMK Taman Merdeka.